Hello everybody, welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. Introducing this 2008 BMW X5. This gentleman came to us to get a towbar, vehicle specific wiring kit, and electric trailer brake controller installed. Went with the Redarc Towpro Elite version 3 electric trailer brake, along with the Westphalia vehicle specific wiring kit that works with your vehicle modules, and this beautiful heavy duty tag tow bar. Traditional square receiver, 50 by 50 mils, heavy duty. Nice clean setup out the back. Thanks to our lovely friends at TAG, who've been making tow bars locally here in Australia, Brisbane, for almost 100 years now. Sharing with you guys what we have here at Australia Towbars and Performance. If you guys have any questions or would like any information, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Thank you, and we'll catch you next time.